Why West promotes Islamophobia and is afraid of spreading of this particular religion. Explained in 60 seconds. Because Muslim believers are people who are less likely to be controlled, manipulated, and led astray. Why? Because Islam requires quite strict discipline in faith and life. So hypothetically, if the remaining 6 billion people turn to Islam, there's already 2 billion Muslims. The alcohol industry, meat industry, music industry, porn industry, Hollywood, gambling, many banks would collapse. That's right, and that's very scary. Those are the main reasons why they try hard to destroy and smear Muslim reputation in their countries. They try hard to displace them because that's the easiest way to modernize them and strip them away from their usual habits and communities with the goal of weakening them. I'm sure nobody told you this. Please share.